I'm trying to get all the kids.
There we go.
Does anyone not have a copy?
I'm glad I brought up my charger.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
The title of this poem is Grandma's Hugs Are Made of Love. Everything my grandma does is something special made with love. She takes time to add a touch that says I love you very much. She fixes hurts with a kiss and smile and tells good stories grandma style. It's warm and cozy on her lap for secret telling or a nap. And when I say my prayer at night, I ask God bless her tight. 'Cause when it comes to giving hugs, my grandma's arms are filled with love.
Aww.
Same?
Thank
The title of
you.
the next poem is Grandpa's Tool Shed. Grandpa's Tool Shed is a special place, full of mystery and delight, where little kids can come and watch while Grandpa builds a kite. Each day before the sunset, Grandpa is always there. The sound of his saw and hammer filling the evening air. Grandpa can fix anything and make it look brand new. He fixes toy cars and airplanes, trucks and trailers too. There are many happy moments, pleasant to recall, but Grandpa in his tool shed is the nicest one of all. By Marie Stoston.
Awesome.